Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn Algerian eye stitch, which is a very pretty stitch which can be used to fill blocks, flowers as well as in border lines in your pattern. We can see a eye in the center of the stitch. You can see straight stitches on all sides like a plus, into and also stitches in between. To start with, let us draw a square and put lines like this, like a plus, into and also in between lines. I am using 3 strands to do this Algerian knot stitch. Start in the center and finish it at one corner. Once again, start in the center and finish on the other corner of the square. Always take care to leave some space in the center so that the stitch will look good, and you will also get an eye in the center. At first, finish all the 4 straight stitches on all the 4 corners of the square, and then continue with the middle line of the square like a plus. Always take care to leave some space in the center so that the stitch will look pretty and you will get a small eye in the center. After finishing all the 4 intermediate lines in the square, continue with the other lines in between. You will have another 8 lines in between the stitches. You can put this to fill the blocks in a pattern as well as for flowers in your pattern. Very simple and easy stitch. The level is intermediate. To give a pretty look, just leave little space in the center like this, and finally you bring the needle in the center at any place and pass the needle through all the stitches like this so that it will be connected and the look will be good, and you will also get an eye in the center of the stitch, and this stitch is named as Algerian Eye Stitch. I hope you are clear about this stitch. If you have any doubts, please do comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe for my channel. I have shared all other embroidery links in the description which I have posted earlier, and this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you.